Johnny, do you like your play area? Do you love it? There's just so much to do. Use that monkey. Let me see monkey. Can I see monkey? Johnny, can I see monkey? Are you sitting on part of him? Let me have monkey. She's sitting on him. She can't figure out how to get off of him. Come here. Johnny, come here. Can you take my hand up here? Look, Johnny. Can you take my hand?
Tell Flogger that I didn't mean to have Dead Man's Hand on.